Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act fast. First, confirm the app is truly unresponsive and that you've tried to save work. Next, press Option plus Command plus ESC to open the Force Quit window. This bypasses the dock and menus. In the dialog, scan the list for the application name. Make sure it's the one causing the issue. Once you see it, select it so the Quit button targets the right process. This direct method avoids rebooting and preserves other running apps. Click Force Quit to terminate that app. This sends a polite quit first, then a forced kill if needed. If the app returns or the dialog refuses to close, open Activity Monitor from Spotlight or Application's right arrow utilities. In Activity Monitor, sort by CPU or memory to find the stubborn process. This reveals background helpers that may hold a lock. Select the process, click the stop icon, and choose Force Quit to send a signal. When GUI tools won't budge, open Terminal and run psaux grep the app name to find its PID, then run kill-9 PID to force termination. If Finder or Dock is frozen, try relaunching them or log out. As a last resort, restart using the Apple menu or press and hold the power button briefly. If problems persist, boot into safe mode, run disk utility first aid, and consider reinstalling the app. These steps resolve corrupted preferences or persistent background service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.